All right, this is a 2024 Chevrolet Traverse. This is an RS package. This is the first one we've got. In this package, I do have a Lakeshore Blue Metallic as well down in service. Should be coming out soon. Just want to take a quick minute to just show the features that's on this RS package. Of course, the model, this one does have your daytime running lights. They're LEDs with animation on them like the Silverados. Your headlights are down below on this vehicle. There is where this one has the Super Cruise on this model. That's part of the system for the Super Cruise, and of course your surround vision cameras, which I will go over that in a second. Forward and rear park assist. These have a 22-inch wheel on the RS. The RS is now the top model on the Traverse. Was the High Country. Like I said, I'm going to have a window sticker near the end of the video. Show you all the stuff that's on this vehicle. We'll be going inside, just showing you the interior changes for 2024, as well as the exterior on the outside. I'm doing now, so we'll check those out. Sweet. Let's go inside now. All right, we're inside. This is the RS interior. I really like it. You do have some red accent on there on the seats, and they've embossed the RS on the headrest. This model has the big old panoramic sunroof. You can see in the back, of course, it's your 7-passenger seating. In the back, I'll get closer up to that. Let's just go ahead and show some stuff in the front. All right. Of course, your all-wheel drive system is still a button over here, and your parking brake is there. This does have the Super Cruise, and that's how you can tell if it does have the Super Cruise. What it does, it measures how close you are to another car, and you can drive hands-free. This just kind of keeps your eyes on the road, making sure you're not dozing off. You can drive this without using your hands on the interstate. Of course, your heated steering wheel is here, cruise control for collision alert, and right there, that's the Super Cruise. I'm sorry, your heated steering wheel is over here. And this is your display of what you can change on the screen here. Let me go ahead and check mark that out. I like that screen the best. The maps, pretty neat. Really large display compared to last year's. I did a video earlier on a Z71, so I go over this features on that video. I will link it in the comments. The only thing I can see a big difference on is you have ventilated seats on the RS package. They're not available on the Z71 package. And down below, of course, your climate control, your wireless charging system, and your storage action right there. Pretty cool. All right, we're in the back, and I will show you this little button down below. That is new for 2024. That allows you to get in the back seats a little bit easier. I'll just push that in and show you. See back here pretty good. Same thing as last year. You have your extra little charge ports back there, and 3 extra seats, and then back on the back. Close this back down. There you go, is your climate control in the back. Another view of those seats with the sun hitting them. Very nice. There's a good view of that roof. And back on the RS package, this is another difference on there. You do have your seats are power fold on the back, kind of like the High Country was beforehand. And you can tumble the seats in the very back. And thank you for watching. Stay tuned at the end. I will have the window sticker popping up in just a tick. Have a great day.